now, a former judge is questioning the integrity of the Collin County justice system she was once part of. Our JD Miles live now at the Collin County Courthouse with her big victory today.
Kaylee, what looked like a case of a corrupt judge back in 2008 today looks much different and raises serious ethical questions about the actions of the Collin County District Attorney's Office during that time. Suzanne Wooten's official portrait was thrown in the garbage behind the Collin County Courthouse in 2011 after the first-term judge was convicted of bribery and sentenced to 10 years probation. She says the district attorney's office at the time was out to get her for running against and defeating a longtime judge.
If I did not resign my bench a week later, they were going to take my property, my children, and my reputation and law license and put me in prison for a very long time.
Wooten was convicted of 9 felony counts of corruption for supposedly promising favors for campaign donors. Today, 7 years later, a courtroom stood and applauded after Wooten was cleared of all wrongdoing by an appeals court, which ruled that she was innocent based on a lack of evidence.
This was the worst travesty of justice I've ever seen in my legal career.
Wooten and her attorney left the courthouse to more cheers, where the former judge, who was forced to resign and lost her law license, accused the former district attorney John Roach of framing her.
I ran against a sitting district judge of Collin County. It had never been done in the history of this county, and it upset the wrong people, apparently.
These underlying bribery charges was a legal fiction that was brought by the corrupt politics of Collin County.
Wooten's attorney says he plans to file a malicious prosecution lawsuit against the county for the 6 years his client endured with a felony conviction.
I spent a lot of years of not being able to do things with my children. I could not volunteer at their schools. I could not be a room mom. I couldn't go on field trips.
Wooten also wants to be reinstated with back pay and one other small but important request.
I earned that election. I want my portrait back on the wall.
We were not able to reach the former district attorney John Roach about Wooten's allegations. Since she was forced to resign because of her indictment, her attorney believes she has a strong legal argument to seek reinstatement if she chooses to. Live in McKinney, JD Miles, CBS 11 News.